Okay, turn up your volume because this motor, I think, caught fire at some point and it sounds fucking horrible. You ready? Listen to this. What does that sound like? Like a bad motor? Like it caught fire? It looks like it did. I don't know. I don't know. It's never been oiled or anything because it says it doesn't need it. So, I mean, there's the model number too. Okay. Probably need to see that PO number. Fuck. I just scraped it off by accident. Fuck it, whatever, I don't care. Bye. But that's weird. Like, that doesn't sound good though.